How to 3D print only part of a model? I have this question so that I don't have to build a new model every time when I want to print a screw with just different lenses. And you may have the same question when you have a model that is too large to print, or when you have multiple parts in your STL file and you only want to print one part from it, or when you want to print a cross-sectional model, and you may have other reasons to ask the same question. I found a solution here using Artmaker Cura to allow you to 3D print only part of a model. Here is how we do it. Step 1, we import the model to the stage. Step 2, we add a support blocker using the support blocker tool. Step 3, we change the dimension of the support blocker. Here I set the Z dimension to 70 mm to cover the top area of the screw. Step 4, set the position of the support blocker. Here I set the X and Y position to 0 and the Z position to 10 mm. Step 5, change the per model setting. Select the option Modify settings for overlaps, and change the mesh type to cutting mesh. Select settings, wall line count, top-bottom thickness, and infill density. Set all the 3 parameters to 0. Step 6, slice. Okay, now I can get a screw with a length of 10 mm from a model which has a length of 50 mm. That's it. The support block to allow you to print only part of your model by blocking those parts that you don't need. Thank you.